Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing YouTube to reload the caption track. This is the fastest single-action reset. First, turn subtitles off, wait 1 second, then turn them back on. You're making the player re-request timing data. If that doesn't snap them back, change playback speed to 1, 25 and immediately return to 1, 0. That reinitializes the decoder. Once done, make sure no other heavy uploads or streams are running, so the player can fetch subtitle packets without delay. If toggling didn't solve it, clear the cache and cookies because stale files can serve old caption indexes. Open an incognito window to rule out extensions. Many ad or privacy add-ons block subtitle requests. Disable extensions briefly, then reload the video. Also test in another browser or device. If captions are correct there, you've isolated a local client issue. Finally, update your browser or the YouTube app. Newer builds fix streaming timing bugs that manifest as delayed subtitles. To permanently fix creator-side delays, open YouTube Studio, go to Subtitles, select the language, then use the timing editor to shift captions or upload a corrected SRT file. That ensures captions and video frames align. If captions are auto-generated and consistently late, request a manual transcript or delete and let YouTube reprocess captions. If none of these steps clear the issue, re-uploading the video forces fresh processing. As a troubleshooting tip, when things still fail, note exact timestamps and contact YouTube support with those examples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.